Middle Tennessee is home to a very rich wildlife community that's located on what are often called cedar barrens or limestone glades. A lot of the area east of Nashville is actually quite limestone heavy in soils, and thus gives rise to a lot of species that are highly associated with that habitat, some of it which are quite rare or even endangered. So let's take a look at a survey of two meadows on a piece of land east of Nashville. As we all know, Nashville gets bigger and bigger every year, and conserving even small acreage of wildlife habitat becomes even more pressing. Let's say that we've had somebody willing to donate some land to form a nature preserve in what's otherwise a quickly suburbanizing environment. So an initial survey is done of some wildflowers of interest, and we have 7 of them here: pink verbena, fame flower, cardinal flower, Tennessee coneflower, St. John's wort, black-eyed Susan, and prairie clover. And these two plots of meadow areas, both were measured at half an acreage in size to make it for a fair experiment. So let's imagine we are trying to make a fairly representative, controlled study of these two areas and getting an accurate picture so that we can compare them to each other in terms of habitat. Meadow 1 has these numbers of representation of the 7 species that we're studying here. And Meadow 2 was studied for the same 7 species, and here are their respective counts. So what we're going to do for our problem of the day is to do a Shannon-Weaver diversity index analysis. We've been working on this statistical method this week, and so we're going to let our problem of the day be that we run the numbers, so to speak, for both species richness, which we've learned to denote with capital letter H, and species evenness, which with H apostrophe, or we say H naught or something like that. So we're going to run both of these statistical methods that we've been learning. And then after it's done, interpret maybe some possible reasons why. Your job is just to simply crunch the numbers and show your work and send it in to me by tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock, and we'll see how you did. This also is going to be a good opportunity, even if you don't do the problem of the day for extra credit, to maybe later this week take a look at this problem and the worked solution so you can come to a better understanding of how to do these types of statistics. Good luck.